you're going. Get out of the street.
Hey, Big Bird!
I'm sorry.
Big Bird! You don't cross in the middle of the street, Big Bird. Cross down the corner, down here.
I'm sorry. Can I come now?
Yeah, come on, come on.
Ooh, well, all I did was...
Big Bird, wait. The middle of the street does not have a traffic light.
No.
You know what happens when you have a red light? That means stop. When you have a green light, that means go. Now that's there for you. When you cross in the middle of the street, the car doesn't expect you, right?
Yeah.
So from now on, go down to the corner, cross at the traffic light. You got that?
Yeah.
Traffic light.
I'll remember next time.
May not be a next time.